Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Now the next example on designing of PDA is we have language that is L is equal to A raised to I, B raised to J, C raised to K, D raised to L. Here we have four different indices for four different alphabets, and all these are starting with 1 onwards. And here one more condition is there, that is I is equal to J and K is equal to L, means we have number of A's followed by equal number of B's and number of C's followed by equal number of D's. Okay, means number of A's equal to number of B's and C's equal to number of D's. Okay, and first we will have all A's, then it should be followed by all B's, then it should be followed by all C's, and then it should be followed by all D's. Okay, so this language can also be written like this: L is equal to A raised to M, B raised to M, means indices of these two are same, as well as C raised to N, D raised to N, means indices of C and D are similar. Okay, so we will start to write set L. Okay, so the smallest string will be A, B, C, D. If we'll take value of I and J is equal, I, J, K, L is equal to 1, then the string formed will be A, B, C, D. Okay, now the next smallest string can be double A, double B, C, D. Okay, means here I have taken value of I and J is equal to 2 and value of K and L is equal to 1. Okay, opposite can be the case, that is A, B, C, C, D, D can be the string, or we can have the string that is all A, I, J, K, L are taking value 2. Okay, so the string form will be double A, double B, double C, double D. Okay, so same is the case happened with this also, because it's taking the same meaning as this language only. Okay, so the next smallest string will be, if we'll take value of I, J is equal to 3, then the string form will be triple A, triple B, and if the value of K and L is equal to 1, then that can be C, D. Opposite can also be possible, means string A, B 3 times C, 3 times D can also be possible. Okay, so this process will go on repeating up to value of index infinity. Okay, so here this set will be infinity, means it contains infinite number of strings in this language. Okay, so out of that I have chosen one string, that is W is equal to AA, BB, CD string for simulation purpose. Okay, so this string is written on input tape and we have stack with us with top as Z0. Okay, so we will start to simulate. Okay, so as we have given the condition, that is I is equal to J and K is equal to L, means number of A is equal to number of B's and number of C is equal to number of D's. Okay, so here we have to match number of A's with number of B's and number of C's with number of D's. Okay, means what? Whenever we will encounter first all A's, then we will push onto stack. Okay, so all A's will get pushed onto stack. When we will encounter first B, so for each B we have to pop the stack. Okay, so all A's will get popped for all reading B's. Okay, so whenever we will finish with all B's, then it is expected that all number of A's from the stack will also get popped out. Okay, so that will define that number of B's are equal to number of A's. After the finish of all B's, we will start reading number of C's. So same case will be repeated here. So for matching C's with number of D's, we will push all C's onto stack. Okay, while reading C, we have empty stack, means top of stack will be Z0 only. Okay, so when we read first C, at that time top of stack will be Z0. So for all C's we will push onto stack one by one. Okay, whenever we will read first D, at that time our top of stack should contain C, and if we have C as a top and we are reading input symbol D, then for each D we have to pop the top. Okay, so whenever we will finish with all D's, then it is expected that we have also finished popping all the C's from stack and we have top as Z0 only. Okay, so when at last we read empty input from the input tape, okay, so at that time our top of stack should be Z0. Okay, so let's start to simulate the string A B B C D. Okay, so that was the logic behind the working of PDA for the given language. Okay, so here I will push all A's onto stack. Okay, so for first A, top of stack will be Z0, then A will get pushed onto stack. Okay, now when we are reading input symbol A again, at that time top of stack is A. Okay, so this will also get pushed onto stack. Now our stack contain double A. Now when we read first B, at that time if top of stack is A, then and then only we have to perform pop operation. Means what? For this B, A will get cancelled. Okay, now again if we are reading input symbol B and top of stack is A, then this top of stack A will also get popped out. Okay, so for this second B, A will get cancelled. Okay, now we have finished all B's. So again we can observe that we have finished with all A's from the stack also. Okay, so our top is now Z0. Okay, and now we are reading input symbol C. Okay, so our top of stack is Z0 again. So here I write that is Z0. Okay, so when we are reading input symbol C and top of stack is Z0, then I'll again push all C's onto stack. Okay, so first C will get pushed onto stack. Okay, now we'll move to right by one cell. Now we are having input symbol D and top of stack as C, so we have to cancel this C for reading D. Okay, so for this D, the C will get popped out. So this C will get popped out. So now after D we have input symbol empty to read and our top of stack is Z0, means we have finished with reading every symbol of input string. Okay, so we are reading with empty, and if we want to have the PDA by acceptance through final state, then we should write the transition for empty, for reading empty and top of stack Z0, that is empty Z0 Z0, that is performing no operation on stack. If you are comfortable with the logic of this problem, then we will move to drawing of PDA. Okay, so first I will take initial state, that is Q0. Okay, so whenever we have all A's, that all A's will get pushed onto stack. So for pushing purpose we will write transition, that is AZ0 AZ0. This will be executed for single time for first A. Okay, because at that time top of stack will be Z0 only. Okay, and for remaining number of A's we have the transition, that is AA AA, because for second time top of stack will be A only. Okay, not Z0. Okay, so this transition will get repeated for the remaining number of A's. Okay, so these two transition will perform push operation onto stack for input symbol A. Okay, now next, whenever we have input symbol B and top of stack is A, then and then only we have to perform pop operation, because we have to cancel A's for B's. Okay, so for if we are reading input symbol B and top of stack is A, then and then only we have to perform pop operation. So it will go to state Q1, and same is the situation for the remaining number of B's, then that will also get popped out, then that will also pop out A's. Okay, so we are reading input symbol B and top of stack is A, then it will also get popped out by this cycle until we will end up with all B's. Okay, suppose we have finished with all B's, then next input symbol can be C. Okay, so for all C's we have to perform again push operation if our stack is Z0 only. Okay, so if we are reading input symbol C and top of stack is Z0, then we will perform push operation, that is CZ0 CZ0. Okay, so it will reach to state Q2, and if we have again number of C's to read, then this will also get pushed onto stack, and situation will be like we are reading input symbol C, top of stack is C, then it will perform push operation. Okay, so that will give top as CC. Okay, so after reading all C's, next input symbol is D. If input symbol is D and top of stack is C, at that time we have to perform pop operation, because for every D we have to cancel each and every C. Okay, so this will pop out the first C from the stack, and for the remaining number of D's we have to pop out all the C's from the stack. Okay, so the transition will get repeated by this cycle. Okay, so for D's we will cancel every C. Okay, so after finishing of all D's we will have input symbol that is empty. Okay, so if we are reading input symbol empty, then it is expected that we should have top as Z0, and if that is the case and we want PDA by acceptance through final state, then transition will be like empty Z0 Z0. It will perform no operation, and this will be our final state. And if we perform pop operation for acceptance through final state, then that will reach to state Q4, and the transition will perform pop operation for popping Z0 also. Okay, and this can be represented by this transition. You can draw two different PDA transition diagram for acceptance through final state by omitting this transition, and you can draw the PDA transition diagram for acceptance through final state empty stack. Then at that time you have to just omit this transition and this state, and you have to add this transition and this state in the given PDA. Okay, so you have to draw two different diagrams for two different type of acceptance of PDA. Okay, hope so you have understood the logic behind acceptance of this language. Okay, so if you have any queries or if you have any new languages, then you can comment on it, and if you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.